Hello folks, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to do an example on using a single email messaging outbound service. So we're going to send an email to an external system. So before doing that, we need to set up the from address. So how to do the from address? You go to the setup, okay, and you click here on the organization white addresses is going to come. So here, this is the place. So this is the place. If you look at the definition, it sees that this you're sending the from address. Okay, you're setting up the from address. So here I'm going to go ahead and add a particular email, and I want to send that email as my from address. So here you'll say Deepika Apex, and let's say the email address is this. And I wanted to make it available to all the profiles, so all the profiles can use this email address, and go ahead and click save. Once you do this, you have to send a verification. So you're going to send a verification to your email address, which is Deepika Apex. So you're going to get an email from them, and if you see, this is the email address they have verified. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and verify this email address. And similarly, I think I have another one, so in case if something went wrong, I'll just verify this one also. Usually you'll only get one email. So this particular email address has been verified. So now we can use this email address to send email. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and write a simple program to illustrate this messaging service using the single email message. So I will go ahead and create a simple class here. So let me just get rid of all the previous programs that I've written. So I'll go ahead and create an Apex class, and let's just name it as email class send. Go ahead and click OK. So it has created a class. Now I wanted to go ahead and create an object of the single email messaging. So to do that, you'll say we have to have a method first. So public static void send single mail. Any method name can be anything, and in this method I wanted to go ahead and create the object of the single email message. So messaging dot of single. So this is the class that's available, is equals to new of now. You need to set the address that you're sending this email to. So you need to have the sending to address set also. So here we're going to say new of string, and let's say I wanted to send this to this email address. This is my other email address, so I wanted to send it to this email address. So these are different methods that are available. So if you look at it, these are all the methods that are there in the single email messaging service, like file attachment, email priority, etc. So you can use these methods, you can explore more of these methods. So I wanted to set the to address here. So this is the method that I wanted to use. And this takes a list of emails. So right now I just have one email that I wanted to send it to. So I will send it to this particular email address. And then you can also set the subject here. So what is the subject that you want to use? So let's say I wanted to use single email messaging test. And what's the body that you want to send? So we're going to say the body means the contents will be, so the method that's there is the set plain text body, and we're going to say hello, how are you, test email from Apex. Now we have decided our body, we have set the subject, etc. So now we are actually going to go ahead and send this email. So this is the method that I'm going to use, and this is going to be the new of single email message. So we're going to send this message exactly now. This is the command that we're going to go ahead and use to send the message, and this takes an email address. So you need to send the contents of this S email that we have designed. So we're going to go ahead and save this. Okay, so it's saved now, and now we're going to go ahead and execute this method. So it'll be email class send and send single email. So that's the class name and this is the method name. So once we do that, we're going to go ahead and say execute. So the from address here will be the Deepika Apex. That's what we have set in the organization wide addresses settings, and the email address that it's going to go ahead and send it to will be this email address, which is kannadipika91@gmail.com. So it has executed our program, so it went well. Let's see if we got an email at my other account. So I got an email. This is the email that I got, and it says test email from Apex. So this is the outbound email messaging service that we have used here. In our next tutorial, we will do an example on the inbound email service. Till then, stay tuned and thank you so much.